So as I explained earlier, man, this place is like the world standard kind of restaurant. See the surroundings, everything is intact. Everything is intact and on point. And I'm about to close this thing. Man. So as usual, testing officer 1. You know how we do this, man. Yeah. Wow. So LAPAZ Bar and Restaurant inside Birmingham. Wow. Man, everything is fresh. So I had to wait for 30 minutes before this thing will get ready, meaning everything is fresh. It's not cooked and it's not being kept for days. Like, it's fresh. You come, you wait, then they cook for you. So fresh. Okay.
Come on. Hey, yeah, come on, swing it, yeah. Feel that groove now.
Hello brothers, sisters. Yeah, this your boy Cookie with Sindaco, and I'm back again. Yeah, so I'm still in Birmingham, yeah, and like I just saw one of the African restaurants, Ghanaian restaurant called LAPAZ, just like the name in Ghana, LAPAZ Toyota. LAPAZ Toyota. So this LAPAZ restaurant, and basically they have Cote d'Ivoire, they have Mali, they have Guinea, not Senegal, they have Nigeria, they have Ghana, they have Sierra Leone, they have Kenya, and like all the African stuff over here. So this is LAPAZ Bar and Restaurant, and I'm about to discover. Let's do this. Record what? Hello. So this is LAPAZ Bar and Restaurant, and these are the stuffs over here. Man, the place is very nice, and nice deco. Nice deco.
Anyone want some cake?
Wow. This nice deco, man. Proper standard. Wow. No, fish. You want some fish and jollof? Yeah. Where are you from? Gambia. From Gambia. Okay, so as I just said, it's not only Ghanaian food that they do over here. They do all kind of African food over here. So these guys are from Gambia and they are making their order. Man, say Orokodo.
Thank you.
Say Orokodo. Orokodo.
I would really love to try this. Yeah, it looks nice.
You want to try the palava sauce,
Yeah.
Okay, so she's from Uganda, and again, like as I said, so which part of Uganda are you from?
Kampala.
Kampala. So this is like the center. Okay, Kampala.
Yeah.
And I want to try Ghanaian food.
Yeah.
It's the first time.
First time in here.
Like Ghanaian food, like first time trying Ghanaian food, or you've been trying already?
I've tried it before.
Okay.
Yeah, but something different. Yeah, I've never tried this before.
Oh, the palava sauce. Yeah. Okay. So how can we go to know this place?
Actually, I saw it online.
You have the shop online, like this?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Then
I saw it online. So
okay.
I've tried to come here like a few times, but never had time.
Okay, so today. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was like, let me come and test, Ghanaian food.
Like Ghanaian food in LAPAZ, LAPAZ in what do you call it? Birmingham.
LAPAZ, yeah.
Okay, what?
I can't wait to try it.
Yeah, it's like Ghanaian food are like exceptional,
Okay.
You love it.
I think I'll be the judge of that.
Yeah. So is it takeaway or you over here?
We're gonna eat in here.
Okay, then I'm here to review that one too.
No problem.
Afterwards, yes?
No problem. Afterwards.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'll give you my own review afterwards.
Okay, thanks. Hey, I'm watching cactus.
What's that?
Zizi.
Bien. Orokodo.
So this is my version. Kaya, Edi, Wow. Man, so this is This is yam. It's a bit of spring onion, being garnished anyway. Then the palava sauce over here with onion, with fish. Wow. So as I explained earlier, man, this place is like the world standard kind of restaurant. See the surroundings, everything is intact. Everything is intact and on point. Now about to kill this thing. Man. So as usual, testing officer 1. You know how we do this, man. Yeah. Wow. So LAPAZ Bar and Restaurant inside Birmingham. Wow. Man, everything is fresh. So I had to wait for 30 minutes before this thing will get ready. Meaning everything is fresh. It's not cooked and it's not being kept for days. Like it's fresh. You come, you wait, then they cook for you. So fresh. Okay. Man, this guy, man, this intact. This intact, man. Wow. So the palava sauce, this is but you have contour spinach. Okay. So I think I have some egusi, which is the melon seed, and I'm yet to confirm if this is the real coconut, cocoyam leaves or spinach. But anyway, this looks like the African food that we know. Yeah, come on. Very nice, very nice. Wow. It's really nice. The yam, like, just perfect. It's just perfect. They have online, what do you call it? You can book online as well. You can order online, you can call, make the order. When you come, everything will be ready, then you pick it. Appointing kaka. Appointing a bone someone been writing. And at the back we have people who are waiting for their food. Those from Zambia, Gambia, Uganda, Senegal as well. Man, the whole sort of Africa, all tribe. No, you can't go wrong with this place. So this is the fish. This is the fish. A sweaty one. Oh, that's sweat. It's made in sweat, so that's when you're dead. Man, see this?
The menu.
Not the menu. That's the madam of the house. I put the grand camera so still I capture them.
That's also part of the phone upon check.
But you're not made. Give me the number.
Number no.
On YouTube.
0121.
So it's the mobile. It's the mobile. The phone. Okay, so 01 21 29 39 17 Okay, so that's the other line. You can call and make an order.
Yeah, and when you share
online.
You share LAPAZ Bar and Restaurant. I've been with 31 Cape Hills Medic.
Okay.
B664 RS.
Oh, okay.
31
and what's the website also?
Website, your website by your Instagram.
Instagram, okay.
Your LAPAZ _ Bar and Restaurant.
Okay.
And Kinky House also. It was Kinky House Birmingham.
Birmingham, okay. So the
both, Instagram and Facebook.
Okay, so the Cake House video that I did also belongs to her. Man, I want for Bodo UKRE. Wow, man, the food is amazing, and the place too is fantastic. Like it's like I qualify anyway. I qualify. Yeah. So as I keep saying, come here and. So that's the menu.
Buy fresh okay.
Wow. And they do know Ugandan food, other African countries as well.
Yeah, Nigerian food.
Okay, so Egusi stew. Yeah. So Omonaja, you here? Pass by. So she just made a reference, a revelation. But you also punch like how the kind of food.
Upon chin a trump,
Ebona,
ya punching every Ghana straight.
And you can punch it.
And then you can punch up upon two days, you are Dorina, and then you
can punch. Okay, you can let you in more.
Papa party and LAPAZ.
Wow. So basically, what's
5 weeks. And they also about LAPAZ.
Wow, LAPAZ to you. So basically, what she's saying that the goat meat for the light soup was brought from Ghana. So like typical Africa goat, the one that when it knocks you, you can feel the pain. Anyway, that's the goat that they use for this light soup, not the latogen kind of aponchi they have in UK.
This one is the correct goat meat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Very nice one.
Interesting. Interesting. Oh, my feeling.
Mom, water.
Man, this is just perfect. The palava sauce is just dope. I guarantee you, yeah. Trust me on this. Okodo. For Shizum Banizo. Yo, so this is the Ugandan friends. Okay, so he's from Ghana.
Yeah.
And she's from Uganda, Kampala, right?
Kampala, yeah.
Okay, so how is the benku and the...
Actually very nice. It's got like assorted meats inside.
Yeah.
There's like fish
and meat
inside as well. It's very nice.
I also took the same thing for my yam.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
It tastes really, really nice.
And it's the first time trying this, right?
And it's my first time. At least now I know what to order for next time I go to Ghana.
Okay.
My first time actually.
Your first time, yeah.
So, the taste is amazing.
It's amazing, okay.
Very, very nice.
So you don't have this kind of food in Uganda? No, nothing like that.
No, because like when they're cooking it will either be just meat.
Oh yeah, because
just fish.
Yeah, I have.
You don't do assorted ones.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of comments from your people saying that we don't, especially from those from East Africa, that you guys don't mix meat and fish together.
No, we don't. No. So this is really nice. It gives you like taste from both
different angles.
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
And the boss man too, how is watching on a regular.
On a regular, you know. I'm a born and bred, so just loving it, enjoying it. But it's really, really good.
Okay.
And the shito is amazing as well.
Amazing,
it adds that extra flavor to it. Really good.
Okay. So say Orokodo.
Sorry?
Say Orokodo.
Orokodo.
It's going on.
It's going on. Yeah, it's popping. Positive vibe. Orokodo. Yeah.
It's going on. Very nice. LAPAZ.
Yeah, LAPAZ for Shizo Manezo.
Yeah,
Please check this out. It's really good.
Amazing. Smedic.
Please subscribe to his YouTube channel.
Thank you. What's your name?
Massimo.
Maximum.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's my birthday today.
Really? Bro, actually, when I came, I saw you cutting the cake.
You want to cut your cake now?
On the birthday.
On the birthday.
Yeah, so someone is celebrating his birthday. 7 years.
Yes.
A goodie. Be a good boy, okay? Learn hard so that you become a good person. Yeah? Yeah. Say Orokodo. Orokodo.
Say Orokodo.
Orokodo. Say it louder. Orokodo. Okay.
Actually, same as
Win the film. What's the vlogger?
Maybe I made it with you. Very rough.
Yeah, so this is the center of Smedic, Birmingham, and if you know, you know. Get you wanna?
That's alright.